Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a quick look at the Galaxy DX929 40 channel mobile CB radio with Starlite front panel. Okay, well, let's take a look here at the box real quick. Now these radios are going to be single final with a single MOSFET. Output's not going to be crazy high on them, but they're going to have clean audio, and for the money they're really hard to beat. We'll try to post a link in my YouTube description down there here just shortly. Let's see what it says here on the box. Smaller chassis, front mic jack, top back circuit for high, low volume or off, variable power output control, that's really handy. Automatic SWR circuit, high SWR alert, that's really handy if you're out on the road. It's got a jack on the back where you can plug in a frequency counter. A 2-year warranty directly through Galaxy, which you can get that right at galaxyradios.com. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a cool little radio. Check out the back. So we got, I'll just let y'all take a look at that there. We got the meter function switch, dimmer controls, the RF gain. If somebody's overdriving your front end, you can crank it back a little bit there. Gonna be a nice little compact radio for the money. Like I said, there's hotter radios out there. These have a nice little receiver on them for what they are. You know, a very good option to upgrade over your Cobra 29s. So let's just check it out. We'll be back. Alright, and we're back. I'm going to attempt to open this the rest of the way one-handed. So got your manual right there. A lot of questions and answers. Rules of the system band radio service, if you choose to read that. Bracket, mic cord, and stock mics in there. I'm not a big fan of any stock mic, hardly, except on like the Anytones, and so might be another one or two others. If you're not in a noisy environment, I like the Superstar mics, which you can find them on my page. Other than that, if you want a noise canceling mic, I like the Static 636L. Got the Road Kings here too, and the SRA 198s, but seems like the Statics seem to match most people's voices and frequency response and audio chain. We're getting there. Go ahead and open it up here. Right. There it is. Nice gloss black look to it. Let's get this on the stand here. Alright, we got it on the stand. We haven't wrapped it with our protective tape yet to protect the bezel, but we will before we get inside the radio. Let's turn it on for the first time here. Oh, I like that blue, and it's a nice soft illumination here. Got a dimmer. Turn it way down. There's your RF gain. We're going to hook a mic to it, see what it does out of the box. So a lot of people want to buy a radio off Amazon or something, and you know, that's up to you. Please keep in mind, Amazon gets a big chunk of the sale. So if it's cheaper than what's offering at your other CB shops, at a reputable shops, there's probably a reason why. Sometimes they're refurbs, sometimes they're not, but this is what you're going to get. So RF power is wide open. I'm going to key it up here. Let's put it in CB mode. Hello 1 2 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3 1 2. 5-watt slug. We're keying 3.5 watts. Hello, twitching forward 1/10 of a watt forward. So no bird average. Look at the peak. Hello, hello, hello. Kicks back. Hello. Hello. ultimately about 12 watts once it settles in. That's mic gain wide open, power wide open. Let's turn our power all the way down. 5-watt slug, about 3/4 of a watt. Oh, no forward swing at all. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. 5-6 watts PEP. So this is what you get right out of the box. Will it work? I mean, yeah, if you just want to talk to the truck in front of you, it'll work. Let's turn the top back on. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. There, put it on high. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, keep checking, make sure it's open. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is a Superstar mic, so if you put a noise canceling, you're going to lose a lot of modulation from there. So let's go to modulation. Hello, 1 2. So there's your modulation meter, and you're not even got 10% modulation. Hello, hello. There's 20% with me eating it. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be back in a little while with the after. You've seen the before. Let's wait for the after. Well, we'll show you right after we open this thing up here what we got. You know, still through-hole components, which means these diodes, resistors, electrolytic caps, they all go through the board. Whereas with a lot of surface mount, they're on top of the board. A little bit of coil spreading from the factory. It's a misconception that is harmonics. Sometimes you actually have some coil spread in order to clean it up. It just depends on what the spectrum analyzer says. We'll get all that checked out and make sure it's nice and clean. Sometimes these wires are a little tight. I always want to go through and check all the plugs. Make sure they're tight, because these do get shipped from overseas. We'll go through and check them all real good. Make sure we're good there. Back there's your voltage regulator. And of course, this big guy right here is what we replace in them if we do a full truckerized tune, which is your tune alignment, electrolytic cap upgrades, and voltage regulator upgrade. This is mainly for durability and heat dissipation. I mean, for the money, it's definitely worth the upgrade in my opinion in most applications. The more finals, the more handy it is to go ahead and replace, the more important. There's your DC buffer cap, your audio buffer cap. So, just want to show you a little peek of this before we tear into it. We'll be back. All right, we're back. We are done. Got this one set up ready to go. Gonna be a tremendous difference. Let's just go ahead and start with our power all the way down. 5-watt slug. I set it half a watt down, half a watt all the way down, so if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 5 watts. Now look, I got the mic laying down. 1 2 hello hello. Great, awesome. So let's show you a average power swing first. Oh, look at there, 15 bird average. We weren't even switching forward before. So there's where you're gonna get a lot of your clean, crisp modulation. Let's look at the modulation meter on the radio. If you remember, it was about 20% before. Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5. Nice. Let's go ahead and show you peak power. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 in the corner, in the corner, in the corner. We're going to have to take this slug out and put a 50 in. So we're already seeing tremendous difference in power output just with the tune alignment. 50-watt slug. Hello, 1 2. Hello, hello, hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Hello, 1 2 3. It's about 27, 28 watts PEP. Let's turn our power all the way down. Half watt. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, come in. Still the same. And let's check your talk back. If you're not running a noise canceling mic, you definitely want to run it on low, and still you may have some feedback. It's just part of it when you have modulation. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Check check check. It's good to go, man. We're gonna send this thing on out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're looking for one of these, just check us out on the website www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.